Video we are going to start the aromatic hydrocarbon. Mainly we'll discuss about benzene. In benzene, in this part 1, we are going to discuss about general information about benzene and preparation of benzene. General information, molecular formula, I think we all know about that. The molecular formula is C6H6. Now the structure, how we can draw the structure. Each corner containing carbon, hexagonal structure, and it is planar. An alternating double bond is there. Double, single, double, and each carbon having one hydrogen. So this is the hexagonal structure of benzene. So this is the structure, molecular structure of benzene, and each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Now to all over the molecule is planar in nature, and each carbon is sp2 hybridized. So what will be the bond angle over here? I think we all know about that. Whenever sp2, the bond angle will be 120 degree. The bond angle will be 120 degree. The thing is that we have to remember benzene structure is not rigid in this structure. That means only benzene structure cannot be shown by a single structure. So whatever the structure I have shown, it is one of the structure of benzene, we can say. All over main structure, main skeleton is identical, but it can show the resonance structure. Resonance structure. We are going to show you the resonance structure now. Resonance structure, that means initially what I have shown you, that means this structure can be represented by this way. That means all time carbon and hydrogen it need not to mention. So whatever, so this is the benzene structure. Obviously it is the benzene structure, but mind that this is called a pi bond. We all know that these are the pi bond. This pi bond can rotate from one carbon bond to another carbon bond. So this it can rotate, it can shift over the next carbon bond. That means now the structure becomes like this. Now double bond is shifted over here. Initially double bond position was here, now double bond position is here, and here it was double bond, now it is single bond, now it is double bond again, now it was double bond, now it is single bond, but it was a single bond, now it becomes double bond. So again the same thing, it is not also the rigid one. So again the shifting of pi bond will be happen. So we are getting the initial structure. So it is the flipping. That means benzene structure can be represented by this way, also. Sometimes it is called Kekulé structure also. So whatever, so these are the Kekulé structure, but ultimately we are getting the hybrid structure. So benzene ring commonly can be represented by this way. That means because the rotation of the pi bond, we can find out the pi cloud is distributed. The pi cloud is distributed all over the benzene ring. So we can draw by this way. It is resonance hybrid. Okay, so hope that it's clear to all of us. So this is the structure analysis of the benzene. Now we are moving to the preparation part of benzene. Now in the preparation part, first we are going to prepare benzene from phenol. Preparation part, preparation of benzene. First of all, from phenol. At first, the structure of phenol. This is the structure of phenol. That means benzene ring having OH group. One carbon contain OH group. How we can prepare the benzene from phenol, very simple way. In presence of zinc dust, when we distill, that means it is given there. When we distill with zinc dust, it will prepare benzene. Additional product will be ZnO, zinc oxide. It is a side product. We are interested about this one. So benzene is prepared whenever phenol is distilled with zinc dust. We are getting benzene. So the first preparation we have done. Secondly, from benzoic acid. From benzoic acid derivative, we can say also decarboxylation. It is decarboxylation process. We can see over here CO2, that means C containing CO2 will be liberated from here, or C containing group will be liberated over here. Let's see. Benzene derivative, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid basically, benzoic acid means COOH. So COOH, this H is replaced by Na. That means, or we can write down by this way also, C6H5COONA. The name of this compound is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate or sodium benzanoate. So because it is benzoic acid, sodium benzanoate should be written, it will be much more prominent, so it should be written like this way, whatever. So come over here, how we can prepare benzene from here. It's very simple way. Whenever lime water is given, or soda lime is given, and heat is given over here, we can prepare benzene along with side product will be Na2CO3, whatever. So we are interested about this one. That means whenever sodium benzanoate is heated with soda lime, it will prepare benzene. Now the third one, from acetylene. Acetylene means CH triple bond CH. Actually here polymerization here, or the process we can say by polymerization. Polymerization, here we can see three molecules of acetylene combined with each other or polymerized with each other, forming benzene ring. Three molecules of acetylene I have written like this way. Acetylene can be written like this way: 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen. That's why 3 C2H2 is taken over here, and whenever it is passed through the very hot copper tube at near about 600 degrees centigrade, it will prepare benzene. So it is the polymerization when 3 acetylene combine with each other, polymerized with each other, forming this compound which is known as benzene. So this is the preparation process of benzene. So we have discussed the preparation of benzene also. Hope that it's clear to all of us.